Alright, well in this video we're going to learn how to ask a question by typing it in this time. Alright William, let's see how you can do it.
So here you still have this reset thingy, which means once I click this, he goes back to his original position. Everything is reset back. And then so right now, let's have the command as space, as usual. Here, space. And then here, we should do this. Ask. Let's ask what is 1 plus 1. So here, after you have him ask the question like this, you get to type something in, say 2. But once you type it in, it's gone and nothing happens. So here we need to use a function called if something else. It's here, then I drag it in. So right now, what I want is the answer to be 2. So we could go to sensing. Here is like all the sensing stuff. Operators. So I'll press this, I'll drag this equal thingy here and go back to sensing. There is an answer here. So I put this answer here and then type 2. So this basically means ask 1 plus 1 and wait. And if the answer is 2, then he would say correct. But if the answer is not 2, what should he do? He should say, have him say wrong. So let's try this out. Once we press space, he asks what is 1 plus 1. We say 1. He says wrong, but he doesn't ask the question again. So how do we do that? It's very easy. Just go back to control, and the forever button, which loops the whole thing. So it means that if you get it correct, it will ask you. If you get it wrong, it will ask you. So right now, go 1. He says wrong, and then he'll ask you again. We say 2. So what you see here is that there's nothing under the say correct thingy, so he just asks it again. So how do we fix that? It's very easy. We just go control and then stop script, which stops everything. Now let's reset everything and then press space. So if we press 1 here, he says it's wrong, and then he asks it again because of the loop forever. But if we say 2, he says correct, and the whole script stops because of this stop script command. Then let's do something fun with the answers. So let's go to stage, backgrounds. You can add backgrounds here. So I want it to change to this background if it's correct. So you could press the stage, and then you can see that the stage also has scripts. And here, just say we'll have to tell the stage when to move. So we broadcast correct. Once we broadcast correct, we can have the stage receive correct, and then we could go to looks, and then we can have it switch background. Now it switches to this background, but I want it to shine, to flash and stuff like a real disco. So you could go to forever, which will make it do it again and again and again. And then we can change the color effect by 25. So here, it shines. Everything is just shining and like a real disco. So, but you see, I press this and it doesn't go back. So what do? Just have to control when this is clicked. Could just have it switch back to the normal background. It switches back.
Wow, let's take a look at the whole thing.
So right now goes,
1 plus 1 is
let's
2.
say
Let's say 3.
3,
Oh, we're wrong. It would ask us again.
because of this forever loop.
Cool.
And if we say 2, it becomes this background. But
He didn't move.
we want him to go to the middle, so we have this reset already, so he will come back here every time you press this. And then we can move him here first. Move him here to the desired position, and then go to looks. We could motion actually, so we can have him go to this coordinate
Oh, if he's correct.
if he is correct. So let's try that again.
2.
2.
It went! And we
Yep.
asked a question and we made it look cool.
Yep.
Nice. All right.